So everyone wants to get into Navy Federal, but here's the problem. You need military affiliation, or you got to commit stolen valor and lie about your great granddaddy who never served. Shame on you guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 credit unions that anyone can join that approve high limit credit cards, personal loans, PLOCs, and even business funding. Some with 0%, some are no doc, and some of them are even forgiving with bad credit. And all of them are criminally underrated. Take a look at one of my first funding clients from over 6 years ago. We got them $40,000, 0% interest personal credit card from BECU on a TransUnion poll, a great credit union in Washington. Since then, we've worked with dozens of credit unions and helped fund clients for tens of millions of dollars using the exact strategies I'm going to show you. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Credit with Colin channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit and get maximum business funding. I'm an 8-year United States Marine Corps veteran, and over the last 6 years, I built a real business funding company with 20 plus employees, and we funded over $95 million in approvals to date, and we now see about $4 million in approvals every single month. So if you want help fixing your credit, getting up to 100K in funding, or investing for passive income, click the link in the pinned comment or description below. Now, quick disclaimer, guys, most of these FCUs, federal credit unions, they require some kind of workaround to join if you want to join nationwide online. Most of the time, it's like a $5 donation to some charity organization, etc. There's actually going to be a website where you can look all of this up. You'll see right here for PenFed, you can hover over how to qualify, $5 savings account. For 4-leaf credit union, how to qualify, $5 savings account, right? And so I'll post this too in the description as well. But for a lot of these, all you have to do is join the American Consumer Council, right? And so it's a $15 membership. But to check this out, guys, you could actually go ahead, fill it out, use the promo code CONSUMER, and it will be free to join the, look at that, $0 to join the American Consumer Council. And now you can use this to get into, like, for example, Andrews FCU accepts you if you use this. Let's get into it. First up on the chopping block is 4-leaf Federal Credit Union. They pull Experian. Their cards are $35K, 0% interest for 12 months, and the personal loans are up to $35K with up to 84-month terms. The rates start around 9% at the time of recording this, and we use their personal loans for our term loan stacking for their clients. They're really good. They also offer business auto loans, BLOCs, and business term loans. It's really a sleeper, guys. We're using them in our term loan stacking, and I highly recommend them. Now, next up is Andrews Federal Credit Union. They pull Experian, and anyone can join through the American Consumer Council. They offer personal loans up to $50,000, PLOCs up to $50,000, and credit cards up to $50,000. Although they're not 0% interest, but they're giving very high limits. They also offer business cards, business term loans, and DLOCs. This is one of the most versatile credit unions on the list. Next is Justice Federal Credit Union. I love that they pull Equifax, and that's why I love these FCUs too. A lot of them do. They go up to $40K, 0% for 12 months, personal loan up to $50K. Straightforward approval, solid intro offers, no nonsense. And then next is another Equifax poll, Langley Federal Credit Union. We got a $50K card from these guys. Online app, Equifax poll, no doc business lines of credit too, up to $75,000 and up to $50,000, 0% interest cards as well. Personal loans go up to about $40K, and this is one of the best credit unions out there if you're looking for business funding. Next is PenFed Credit Union. Now, most people think that you need to be military to do PenFed. You don't. This ended like in 2019. Anybody can join by depositing and opening a savings account with $5. You could pre-qualify for their credit card, 0% for 15 months, and they offer personal loans for $50K, PLOCs for up to $50K, which are excellent for velocity banking and snowballing down debt. They also have some of the best HELOCs in the game. PenFed is a monster if you know how to use them correctly. Now, this next one has been around for years in the credit game, Alliant Credit Union, nationwide digital banking. It's a sleeper. They do personal loans all the way up to 100K, and they have some of the best cards in the credit union space out there, 0% interest for 12 months. Finally, another sleeper on the list, Connexus Credit Union. Anybody could join with a $5 association membership. They offer fast personal loans. We're talking like same week you join, $50K, and a PLOC, $25K. You could stack both of those, right? The personal loan goes up to $100K, and they offer 0% for 24 months on their credit cards, all the way up to $40,000. They pull TransUnion. They're super strong. Highly recommend these guys. It's good for fast cash, right? And then here is going to be some of the quick honorable mentions too. We got NASA FCU. Anyone can join. They offer BLOCs up to $2 million for those in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area. NIHFCU, highly recommend them. Equifax poll that could be reused for multiple products, including business products nationwide. Patelco Credit Union, personal loans up to 100K. USS Federal Credit Union as well, strong personal and business funding options with them. And Liberty FCU, soft pull pre-approvals. DFCU as well, you've all heard of them, Digital Federal Credit Union, not a bad option either, fast personal loans and a soft pull to join. Now here's a power move most people don't use. If you get approved for a week limit or just like, not what you're looking for, do not activate the card immediately. Call the number on the back of the card, let them know that this limit doesn't support my personal or my business needs, and I'm deciding whether or not I should even activate it. I really needed, and just say 10 or 15,000 more, right? If they give you 5K, say you really needed 15,000 for your marketing budget, etc. And a lot of the times before you activate the card, they will bump the card all the way up to 15K, 20, and even $25,000. We do this all the time. Guys, if this video helped you at all, don't be a mouth breather. Hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe, because in my next video, I'm going to break down the top 7 credit unions that offer no-doc business lines of credit, what bureau they pull, what their no-doc limit is, and everything. My team spent hundreds of hours calling banks to confirm this info. Links for done-for-you credit repair and getting 100K plus in business funding to work with my team are in the pinned comment and the description. It's Credit with Colin. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.